Hi friends, thanks so much for joining me today and welcome back. So I guess I wanted to do a bit of a follow-up video. Recently I shared a tutorial on how to make different pockets for your journals or, for sharing with friends, etc. And in that video, I just showed you, I think, 6 different ways to make pockets, but I have many other videos and tutorials showing you different designs and that sort of thing. And then I had the idea of making a bunch of them and putting them together in packs that you can purchase. So I showed you a video where I went through some of those pockets and showed you how you could add them to your journals and, the different ways that you can add additional pockets if you wanted to, etc. So I do have some of those packs in the shop right now, and thank you so much to those of you that have been purchasing them. I'm really loving making them when I have a moment, and I'll just add them as I go. I will have all those videos linked in the video description in case you're interested in either seeing how the pockets function or seeing how to make some of them, which I have those videos as I mentioned. But in this video, I thought I would show you how I've been decorating some of them, because I know sometimes the hard part with a project is, finding out how to embellish it and what you would do with it. So I do have some additional designs here that you probably haven't seen in those videos. And I'll probably be coming back and making some of those in a future video as well. But for now, I thought I would focus on decorating some of them. So those of you that either are making them or have purchased them, you would have an idea of the different ways that you can embellish them, right? Now, in the video that I showed before, these two here that I showed you, I actually forgot to show you there was an additional, like a secret pocket to it. So this was one of the designs that I mentioned in that video. And this one has a pocket here, and then you have like a secret one in there. But then you also have a side one as well. And I had forgotten to show you that in that video. So for those of you that have purchased the sets in the shop, there is an additional side pocket here, either on the right side or the left side. What I'm doing with them is trying to put like a little ephemera piece in them so you could see that there's a secret one in there, because I had forgotten that. And then there's this design as well, which is, very similar, but you have these two plus the side one as well. So as I said, this side one could be either on this side or on this side, depending on the design. But what I'll do is I'll try and put an ephemera piece and anything that has like an additional secret pocket that might be difficult for you to see where that pocket is. So I hope that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to start with this one here, and all the pockets and envelopes, or I don't think I have envelopes here, but everything I'm going to show you, some of the embellishments I'll point out are from Beebeecraft, and I will link their shop below as well as a discount code in case you're interested in any of the items I'm going to show you. All right, so I'll walk you through the pieces, and then hopefully you'll get some inspiration. I apologize in advance. I might be saying pocket a lot, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what some of them are and how you could embellish them, or how I like to embellish these as well. I love grabbing some of them whenever I have a moment and just kind of, starting this process. It's really nice because at the end I have like a bunch of finished projects. And yeah, so anyways, I hope that that some of these ideas inspire you. I definitely will be back very soon showing you some more pockets that I have been making. And yeah, let's get started with these. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is this design. And what I did to decorate this one was not very much. I added a piece of ephemera to the front of it, so there's an additional spot there. And then it already has this spot here, and this other secret one in there, and then the one on the side. So as I mentioned, this design could have the pocket on that side, or it could have it on that side. It really depends. And then I added this gorgeous flower. It does come in a huge bundle from Beebeecraft. All the links of what I'm showing you here will be in the description, as well as a discount code that I'll put on the screen and also below. So I think this one is one of my favorite ones because it has so many ways that you could add additional you know, pieces to put ephemera in. But it looks like a little envelope, and I don't know, I love that design. So that's one of them. Now, any of these designs could be in one of the kits. I'm just showing you right now how I've decorated some of them in case you have them and you have, you know, you were kind of trying to figure out how you would embellish some of them. This one here could, the way it could look like this style of pocket, or it could look like this. Okay, so it could be either or, but it has the same areas to tuck things in. So again, a little embellishing. There's a bunch of sets of laces that I also have from Beebeecraft, and they come in different colors. And the price was amazing. So anyways, I will link that below. So this is like the pink lace. I have some florals there as well from their shop. I really like those. And these ones come in 3 sizes in a set. And so you've got all these different sections here that you could add ephemera to, right? And so the way this one would be attached, again, you could glue it on 2 sides and have just, you know, a section there, or you could glue it on 3 sides and then just have a tuck on either side that you can add to your project. So that's that one. This one here, again, I added some of the pink lace. I did a little embellishing here and there. I added a little tab with a ticket, and then you have a little spot here with ephemera, a spot here with, you could tuck in ephemera, and then the ones in the center. And with all of these, as I mentioned, depending on how you glue them onto your pages, then you could have additional sections where you could tuck things in. They could also be lovely as floating pockets or places to tuck things in. So that's that one there. This one here, I really like how it came out. So I did use a bow, and this again is from Beebeecraft. It comes in like a big bundle. And then I just did a little embellishing on the front. You open this one up, you have a few sections where you could put something in there again. And then I just decorated a little bit more with the lace here. And this one is a really lovely, like a creamy tone lace color, and you can see how nice that ends up looking. So there's that. Now this is not one that I showed before, but as you can see, it's one of the ones that are super easy to put together. And these are not currently included in those kits because they're just, you know, I just haven't included those there. Okay, and then we have this one here, which I really love how it came out. Again, we're looking at the gorgeous laces, and this one is the brown tone. So you can see I've used the pinks, the creams, and the browns in here. Okay, and then you've got sections, again, where you could tuck things in. And this is like a nice large section to put things in. So you've got already 3 here, and you could have, again, additional ones depending on how you attach them to your pages. So this is just some of the ones, as I mentioned, I've shared previously. I may have tutorials, I think, on all of these, and I will link those videos below. Questions, comments, please let me know. But for now, I just thought I would show you what I've been decorating, and I'm still making some more of those sets. Currently, I still have, I've just added, I should say, some of my mystery packs as well, the mystery grab bags. I've added a couple more in there. My digitals are back in as well in the shop. So if you're interested in that, we had taken them out because the links were not working because of so many videos that I have and the changes that have happened within the shops. I finally think I have all the links up to date, and we will be adding more things to the shop as well. So don't forget to follow us on Ko-fi and grab your freebies. We'll be adding some more digitals that are free as well. And yeah, I hope you found some inspiration. Again, just a quick video to show you what I've been decorating and how you can decorate some of the pockets and envelopes that are in the sets in the shop. All right, my friends, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.